Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Callie Cat is sitting in the chair next to me. So today we're opening a mint mongoose. Y'all, I feel like it's been a long time since we opened a mint mongoose. I don't know that it really has, but it just for some reason feels like it to me. So mint mongoose is a jewelry subscription. They send you 3 pieces of jewelry each month. You can get it for as low as $13.99 a month if you commit to 12 months. If you just want to get it monthly, it's $16.99. She also has other subscriptions, like I get a t-shirt of the month, which all goes into a cute little theme that she has. So my t-shirt, because I subscribe, I think it's $9.99 a month. If you just wanted to get a one-time t-shirt, it would be $11.99. She also has rings, like surprise rings, surprise earrings, different things, and she has a shop where you can go on and shop for different things too. So very cool. If you want to try mint mongoose, I do have a link below. It is a referral link. It does give you $5 off your first purchase. Very cool. Now, she used to do a lifetime guarantee on her jewelry. I do not know if she still does that or not. I'll need to look into that. I've been meaning to, but you know. This is a mama run business. Her name is Helena. She is super sweet. She is the lady behind the mongoose. I love that. I think it's so adorable. And it comes wrapped like this because of the t-shirt. Once you get the t-shirt off, this is what you see. Look at this. Y'all, I have to admit, I actually watched one of my buddies open this up already. That's Christine from Christine's Place. I'll put a link above and below. So I kind of know it's in here, but she didn't get the t-shirt. So I didn't know what it was going to look like. I love her t-shirts. Now they are small sized. So I wear a large to an extra large. I get a 3X in her t-shirts and they fit me perfectly. I love she started doing a v-neck in them. Look at the beautiful feather. I love her t-shirts. They're such a great everyday t-shirt. So cute. But yes, I love it. Love, love, love it. Let's read. Look at that beautiful bird. I believe this is a house finch. Not 100% sure. And then on the back, she gives us a little detailed description of where she came up with the idea, all that good stuff, and a sneak peek at the jewelry. So, live like the birds. Our inspiration behind this set. This month's set is inspired by the birds flying all around us, giving us a visualization and real life example of living free. Most sets I create are inspired by a specific moment life. Inspired by a specific moment in life. The N is not in there. This set is a little different. It is inspired by a realization. About a year ago, I discovered these adorable bird feeders that suction to the outside of the window and have an area where you can put bird seed and the birds can sit and eat. As soon as I saw them, I knew the kids would love them. I've got 2 like that. I used to have one right here, but it fell off and I need to wash the window and put it back on. I just haven't done it yet. Well, love is an understatement. Instead, the visiting birds became a part of our daily lives. Emma, who is 6, would name them as they stopped by for a seed or two. Emerson, who is 4, would try to get as close as he could without scaring them off. And Emmett, who is 15 months old, well, he didn't really notice. A bird has been a common exclamation in our house. I love it. Oh my goodness. I'll link the ones I have below. I got them off Amazon, so I'll find a link and I'll put that down below for you if you want to get some of those bird feeders like she's talking about. I haven't realized how special those birds being a part of our story was until last week when we took the feeder down because the California heat hadn't been kind to them and they were falling apart. Now that they're gone, I miss them. When you wear this jewelry set, I hope it reminds you to take notice of the stunning creatures flying overhead, to learn from them, and inspire you to live life as freely as they do. Love, Helena, the mama behind the mongoose. And she does actually have a scripture down here. It says Matthew 6:25 through 34. I don't think I've ever noticed that on one of her cards before, and I love it. Okay, let's look at the jewelry because I cannot wait any longer. I love the little mongoose stamp, by the way. I think it's a cute detail. Since this is a small business, a mama-run business, all of the stuff is hand-packed by her and her friends and family in her, I think in her kitchen or her dining room. So, yeah, very cool. And she does do points on her page. You know, the more stuff you buy, the more points you get. You can get a free, you know, this, a free that. I've gotten my entire set for free. You can get t-shirts for free. All kinds of good stuff. Yay, it's here. Thank you, Mint Mongoose. And she sends me my favorite candy. There's always a Werther's in every one of these. I love that. And every so often, I can't remember how many bags, she actually throws in an extra little treat. So that's cool too. The jewelry comes wrapped like this. Then once you get the paper off, you got these. All right, here's our necklace. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I hope y'all can see that. It's a little bird inside a round circle, and it's kind of got like a teal swirly to it. It's very, very cute. All of her jewelry does come extendable, you know, with the extension on it and with the cute little mint mongoose down here. Let's just throw it over. I've got other jewelry on. I don't think I could put it over my head without messing my hair up. I actually think this matches better than what I have on, but I did an unboxing of this one. I'm gonna put it in the longest extension so we can see how long it'll go. Look at that. I mean, I know I've got a busy shirt on today, but that is so pretty. Let's look at the next one. The next one. By the way, if you do not have your ears pierced or you do not like wearing earrings, you can tell her that and she'll send a bracelet instead of earrings with your set. You can tell her if you want gold, if you want silver, or if you want a mixture of everything. And sometimes we do get sent rose gold or like a more of a gunmetal type silver. So very cool. Oh, look, it's a little feather. That's too cute. A little feather to go with it. That's pretty cute. She does do the layering a lot. I like that. I like the layered look. And I don't know, when you get the ones that are, you know, it's one piece and it's layered, they get tangled up. So this is a little cute. I think the feather could have been a little bigger, but it is dainty and cute. Let's look at the earrings. I think they're feathers too. Now, when you open this, keep in mind those little plastic backs are loose in here, so don't lose them. I always make sure I catch them because I know that I will lose them if I am not careful. And they are little feathers, and even still, I think they could have been a little bit bigger, but they're still very cute. So what do we think? Do we like the set? And of course the shirt and the cute little picture. Isn't that cute? I love birds. Y'all know I love birds. I need to feed my birds. So comment below. Tell me what you think of the set. Do you like it? Do you want to try Mint Mongoose? Use the link below if you do. Hi, Cali Cat. What are you doing? What are you doing? I haven't even said nothing to you on this video. You gonna say hi? Yeah? She's like, just put me in your lap, Mama. Just put me in your lap. So, all this stuff just blew under her back. She's like, well, she's still got it on her back. All right, did you get it off? Y'all, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is absolutely free, and so is signing up for YouTube. So thank you so very much if you do that. And don't forget to share with your friends. Tell everybody about the channel. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to press that little notification bell. It lets you know what's going on the channel. I appreciate it so very much if you do that. I appreciate that you stopped to watch and spend time with me. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless. I just wanted to give you a quick look at what the shirt fits like. Like I said, this is a 3X. Yeah, so they run small, but they're really cute, really soft, really comfy shirts.
Let me see. Come here. Come hither. You're soft.
I wear these shirts all the time.
I know. What about these shirts? I don't know what
Shirts from this company.
Shirts.
They pretty much look the same. They just got different logos on them. Yeah.
It shows how much I know, huh?
Hey.